Top 10 Ways to Make Money Online 2023. Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to our channel. Top 10 Ways to Make Money Online in 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. These days, many people are searching for simple strategies to make additional money. Fortunately, there are numerous ways of bringing in cash on the web, creating extra income, or even starting another profession. In this video, we'll zero in on short and long-term lucrative plans to make additional money. Find what works best for you based on your preferences. Number 1. Start an e-commerce business. Pay potential. You can reach up to $63,000 yearly in extra income in 90 days, and some can earn up to $127,000 in year 1. So if there is a chance that you're searching for a huge payout that can become a full-time occupation, you can begin an internet-based store. Setting up a private venture online has never been simpler. There are many platforms that can assist. To create a successful business, you can start with items or services that you're interested in and conduct research and surveying to decide if the business products or services are in demand and viable. Then, at that point, prepare a plan for the coordinated factors. You don't need to start big, simply design your brand and approach it slowly and carefully. Number 2. Join an affiliate marketing program. Income potential. Marketing promoters can acquire up to $1,000, mid-level promoters can reach $10,000, while cutting-edge marketing promoters can make up to $100,000 plus. Turning into an offshoot advertiser is great for experts keen on making a recurring, automated revenue. Affiliate marketers get paid a commission on the items or services they effectively promote to their crowds. Promoters or offshoot advertisers can choose among various products and services to market as long as they feel that they can persuade their audience to get them. Despite the fact that products can sell quicker than services, the commission is generally lower. Number 3. Become an influencer. Income potential. Individual forces to be reckoned with 10,000 to 50,000 followers. They can make from $40,000 to $100,000 each year, however it relies upon many elements. On the off chance that you love web-based entertainment and making content consistently, you can think about stepping up your social profiles, for instance, on Instagram or TikTok. In the event that you have practical experience in a specialty market, e.g., training or exploring, you can make more unique content and focus on specific individuals by tending to their likes. Despite the fact that this is one of the most imaginative ways of bringing in cash on the web that can transform into a genuine business, it will require time to support the results. Furthermore, competition is high in this specific business, so you would do well being consistent but patient starting out. Number 4. Start a blog. Income potential. Individuals who adapt their blog can procure $20,000 to $50,000 every year. In the event that you love articulating your thoughts through composition, you can turn into a blogger. To construct a successful blog, focusing on a particular specialty market and crowd is considerably more productive. On the off chance that you distribute incredible content consistently and apply search engine optimization standards, you can transform your blog site into a genuine currency creator. For example, you can collaborate with associate creators on blog entries that drive high traffic or offer promoting space to different organizations. Number 5. Make a YouTube channel. Pay potential. The common YouTuber obtains $18 for 1,000 advanced views and around $5 for 1,000 views. However, the final pay fluctuates depending on many elements. Also, staying within a particular niche is ideal to acquire a stable brand and supporters quicker by making how-to videos. Let's see a model. You truly need to have at least 1,000 subscribers to your YouTube channel to begin to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Along with about 400 hours of watch time, and then, at that point, you'll gain access to the YouTube Partner Program where you can begin benefiting from promotions. Number 6. Open an Etsy store. Income potential. A successful merchant can make somewhere in the range of $43,000 and $46,000 each year in income. As per a new report, Etsy, a selling stage for makers and merchants, has 96.3% dynamic clients, with many remaining faithful to the Etsy platform over the long run. So assuming you appreciate making handiworks like earthenware or adornments, you can create your own store on Etsy to earn money. Number 7. Publish an ebook. Pay potential. You can make from $5,000 to $8,000 per month all year around. With access to independently publishing, it makes it possible to compose and distribute your own digital book to bring in cash on the web. To make a quality digital book, aside from an author, you may want a planner and a manager to guarantee that your digital book is essentially as extraordinary as it could be. You can enlist specialists such as marketers or writing assistants, for example, to help you. Prior to publishing it, remember to look at each organization's royalty structure to see the rate you'll get for each book sold. Your ultimate decision, however, can be based on many factors for your book goals. Number 8. Take up independent work. Income potential. Up to $5,000 plus per month, depending on your skills, experience, and availability. Turning into a specialist is one of the most well-known ways of expanding your pay. This can be more common for experts with practical experience in web improvement, copywriting, visual communication, or digital skills, to give some examples. You can begin by building a strong portfolio and joining online platforms like LinkedIn or Behance. Number 9. Produce a participation site. Income potential. Effective sites can make up to $200,000 each year. On the off chance that you already have a blog or a site with numerous assets, similar to articles and how-to guides, you can make membership plans. Create exclusive content for faithful endorsers or clients and bring in additional cash. Digital books, infographics, and selective bulletins can be good choices to start with. And, in the event that you're a YouTuber, you can make behind-the-scene content or QAs to draw in a greater market. Number 10. Make a digital recording. Income potential. Roughly $500 to $900 for 10,000 downloads per episode. This reach can vary depending on the structure of the deals and the crowd's help. One more fantastic choice for individuals who love to describe stories with explicit mastery or a writer's style is podcasting. Assuming that sounds like you, begin your own show on Spotify, Apple, and Google digital recordings. Find an idea that intrigues you, from music to yoga and prosperity, and pick pertinent subjects that will draw in your crowd. It's also good to watch your competitors' content to see what's going well or fill in the gaps. You can set out alone or host guests that can enhance your digital recording. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.